That's not on back. Let me see if that other strap's in here.
Drop the glove here, bud.
Quite the operation.
Yeah.
Good. You guys know what you're doing. Oh! A lot of people do late. You are 30. Yeah, we need topsoil in the hole. We're a little deep. Probably about 3/4 inches of topsoil. You know, we're going to need anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of topsoil in the bottom. That's good. That's good. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. We're throw a little topsoil. Okay. Stuff at the bottom. All right. And no, we're real close. That's excellent. Excellent. I'm John, by the way. John, I'm Don. You can talk? No, I do their work. I do their name. Oh, okay, great. So, I talked to Tom, I talked to Rick, I talked to Judy. Now you got the new guy. I talked to everybody. No, it was a good group. Okay, there's probably enough of us here like we won't do that. I'm gonna lay it down and stand up. I've got both ways. Yeah, well, how many guys does it take? At the trip line, they're all by Wawa coffee cup. 24-ounce Wawa coffee cup.
Nice looking tree.
Put about 6 of them.
Huh? Nice looking tree.
Right now. You're going to make roots for the first. You got a lot of concrete for that potash. That tree, the roots are here, and you're going to be fertilizing way out here. You know what I mean? You're going to fertilize the trip line. So then those roots, as this root is in, the roots are going to smell that, fertilize it, and start running out there. You're making roots right now for a long time. How big is the coffee cup? 24 inches. I'd say that's perfect. Right. Save it. Next time you get it, come in and I put 6 of them. And walk around the shake. Just keep going around. Okay, guys. All the muscle we got. We're gonna stand the tree up. Okay, get a couple guys on that side. It's a lot of tree, but we can do it if we get enough. Okay. Stand up. Oh yeah. I know it. Okay.
Really strong, John.
Hey, go give me two more buckets of that. Two more of that. Yeah, go get them all. Throw that grass out, right? Get rid of that.
So going forward, then how much? Once a week?
Nah, you know, temperatures are cold. I think if you water the heck out of it now and we get a couple inches of rain Thursday, you're going to bring in. I mean, don't get me wrong, it doesn't rain again before like 2-3 weeks go by. You don't get anything. Do it again. It should be a little rain now, right? We're hoping for Thursday. We got a couple big drops we're trying to get through. Right here, get this high spot out. It's low over here, it's high right here. Take some, just shove it towards the outside. More, shove it over more, shove it out, all the way to the wall. Get that off right. Pick up when we get right to the edge. I'm going to tilt, and we're going to hope that everything just kind of slides. Right. Okay. Whatever you need us to do. Yeah, well, if we start to go, then just start steadying. And it might try to lean. It's hard to say. It might try to lay over, but I think it'll. We're just going to try to let the ball slide right in. Let's start to go that way. Yeah. Going already. Are we in the center? Are we lined up in the center?
No, it's
Up to you.
Yeah, you got it.
Here we go.
You good?
He's all right.
Yeah, good. The crown.
He's all right.
Right.
He's all right.
They want to dug that hole, knew what they were doing.
Oh no, it's great. No, the crown's just right now. Putting that dirt in just kind of set it right where we needed it. We don't have any hooks. I don't know how we're gonna move it over. I guess we should have gone further this way.
That would kill you, dude.
Yeah. Up the hill, that's good. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think that's good. That's good. Right, I like that. That's good, Lionel.
We're going to hold on.
That's good, that's good, that's good. it that way so I don't hit the branch. I don't want to break a branch. Yeah. Go that way. Pull it hard. Okay. Here we go.
Just a hair more.
Are we in the middle? John? I don't think so.
I think you need to go just.
Stand it up more.
No, you need to come about a foot.
A little bit more. Okay. Lay it over again. Lay it over. That's good. Right there.
Good.
Maybe right now.
No, he's not.
That it?
You need to go. You need to come about 6 more inches.
I'll fill that up.
Good with that? I would say. Can't see it from my house.
That's how we do it.